Hello everyone and welcome to a session with MakkSkills. I'm teaching you a very simple tool today, how to sort out your data on Excel. On Microsoft Excel, how can you sort out your data alphabetically? Something as simple as that. So let me share my screen now and I'm opening an Excel sheet and let's write a few names. Geeta, Anita, Gul, Preeti, Milind, Arjun, Aditi, and Zia. Now here are the names. How is it that you are going to be able to make them, turn them into alphabetically? So I'll select this data, I will click on data, and I will say sort by column A. Yes, I would like to sort column A. Values order A to Z or Z to A, whichever you prefer, and just write OK. And there it's done. It's as simple as that. Let me show it to you one more time. Here's your data. I've clicked on this. We go and press data, sort data, sort by column A because that's the only column. Values in order of A to Z, and you say OK. Right? It was as simple as that. Now let me shift this back and write their scores. So Geeta is 55. And let's see. Okay, now these are your students, or this is scores of everyone, and you want to sort them by the person who's got the highest score. Now remember, Preeti's score is 92. So I click on the entire thing, I go to data, and I say sort. Now, it's asking you by which column. So I say by B, largest to smallest. Sorry about that. Largest to smallest. So I want 92 to come first, and Preeti's name will obviously therefore come ahead. Preeti 92 is right here, so you know who's come first, or in school, in college, or in any other institute or corporate that you are working at. So it's been arranged. Let me go back to what I was, and if I want it to now be changed alphabetically, let's see what happens. Now Geeta is 55, so let's see if we sort this alphabetically, will it only work on column A? Let's find out. Sort. Sort by column A, yes. Values, yes. And alphabetically A to Z. So remember, Geeta was 55. Now Geeta is still 55. So your data is absolutely fine and secure. You've just been able to edit everything alphabetically or sort any data on your Excel with just a simple tool, selecting everything you have and going and sorting out your data. Thank you very much. Keep liking our channel, enjoying our videos, and keep learning. Thank you for MakkSkills.